So my name is Jen Fijalkowski. I'm the Sustainability Specialist for MacDermid Alpha Electronic Solutions. In the last couple of years, what we've been trying to do is position our products with two main frameworks within sustainability. One being the Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions per the Greenhouse Gas Protocol. So we've been looking at our products from our soldering materials to our reinforcement and protection polymers, and seeing where we can help our customers reduce their emissions and where we can help reduce our emissions, which would be our customer Scope 3 emissions. And in addition to that, we know that sustainability encompasses more than just carbon emissions. So we've been using the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which cover 17 goals that encompass human health, environmental topics, as well as governance topics. And what we mean by that is the call to action for companies as well as cities and countries to come together and unite in these goals. So we've been using that as a holistic approach to sustainability as well, so that when you look to our products, we'll use those icons to say, if you use these products or services, we can help you work towards these goals. It was important for us to talk with you today because this is the first track, or the first year that sustainability is a track within the technical conference here at IPC APEX EXPO, which just goes to show that sustainability is a topic that is becoming increasingly significant in the industry. In addition to just the conference, there are regulations out there, both in the EU and right here in the state of California, that are requiring companies to start disclosing sustainability data in the upcoming years. So we think it's important for us to show that we are committed to sustainability throughout the whole supply chain, and that we are going to help our customers to report diligently and follow the regulations that are coming out soon. Absolutely. So yes, of course we want to offer products that can help reduce human health hazards, that can help to reduce environmental impact. But in addition to that, we need to be pairing that with innovative technologies, because that's the only way that it's going to truly be adopted. The sustainable technologies that we introduce must be equal to, if not better than, incumbent technologies for companies to want to include them in their next generation devices. And that's what we're looking to do here with our sustainable solutions, is pair innovation with sustainability. And we know that that will also make for a profitable business throughout the supply chain. If we can go to our customers and say, we have a product that works just as well as the competition but has these sustainable attributes, it's kind of a no-brainer.